Hi, Namaste, and welcome back to my channel Vision of Art. Have you ever wondered why not make a flower arrangement where the leaves take the front seat? I mean, the leaves are the one which actually hold your attention. I'm talking about this beautiful indoor plant called Song of India, also a type of Dracaena leaf. You can use it in different variations. So let's get started. These are some of the materials that you may require. An Oasis to get started with. Measure the size of the container. Then just drop the Oasis inside a water-filled bucket. Within few seconds, you'll see the Oasis soaking in all the water. Let it remain in the water for at least 1 to 2 minutes. After that, cut it according to the desired shape and fix it inside the container. Something like this. You can trim out the sides wherever you feel there's an excessive amount of Oasis left. The leaves have a natural yellow lining, hence I'm using 3 roses which are yellow in color. I'm going to create a triangular shape out of it wherein you have a center flower and you have 2 flowers which are on the sides. You can change the direction or how you want to place, all depends on your design element. So after the roses, you could use baby's breath. Yes, these tiny white color flowers or the buds that you see, these are called as baby's breath. It's again a type of a foliage, not a flower. Hence they're used as a backdrop. After using that, now I'm going to use 1 stalk of Song of India. Well, it's better to trim out the sides something like this in a triangular form because it gives out a very nice angular formation. Now you can fix this particular stalk of Song of India right in the center. So you can decide it could be 5 to 6 leaves in that stalk or it could be an entire bunch, but it's better to trim before you place it. You can see how beautiful it is looking wherein the flowers are at the background and this becomes the prime focal point. I'm now fixing in the remaining single leaves wherever possible to create a design. So whenever you fix in the foliage or the flowers, always remember it has to be placed diagonally or in a slant direction. While making a flower arrangement, it's also important to understand that whatever you use to hold the flowers, that's the Oasis, you need to cover it completely. So in this arrangement, after I creating a focal point or the area of attraction, I also need to make sure that the Oasis is well covered. And when somebody looks at an arrangement, his eyes does not go towards the Oasis, but towards the entire arrangement. While making an arrangement, also make sure that where do you desire to place the arrangement and accordingly make an arrangement. Now this kind of arrangement is best to be placed as a corner table arrangement, or it could be placed right at the front of the entrance of the door, or it could be a welcome gesture at a reception desk. That's how it can be placed. Now as you see, I'm adding a white color with the help of baby's breath in different sections and areas. Now I had a bunch of tatis. These are again a type of leaves which are purple colored, and I'm going to utilize it in this arrangement. It's totally optional. One last tip, whenever you're making an arrangement, make sure that the foliage of the flower is not overlapping each other. They have their distinct position, they can be seen, and at the same time, they are being used in such a way that they make the arrangement look beautiful. I hope you liked the video today. Please hit the like button. Please do share it with your friends and also comment. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Until then, bye.